One second, I'll tell you. उजवीकडे डावीकडे.
उजवीकडे डावीकडे.
हो.
ओके. तर आता गोष्ट काय लिहू पण?
गोष्ट it can be anything what you like. Your imagination can go wild.
Okay, I'll check with the production house if they can register this title.
Yes.
Thank you.
Please.
Thank you.
I was thinking because I saw even the movie on TV called Apri Tapri, which was very nice. So like that, at that time I thought that this would be a nice one.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes. I'm Dr. Tallu.
Okay. I shall.
Nagpur owner.
Ah. Oh. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. मेरा नाम दुर्गेश है. सबसे पहले कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस इतनी अच्छी फिल्म के लिए.
Thank you.
मुझे नहीं मालूम कि आपकी रियल में एज कितनी है. मुझे आप स्टूडेंट
32. I'm not ashamed.
ओके सो फिर बट इन जनरल जिस एज में आप लगते हैं उस एज में तो जनरली इतनी सीरियस फिल्म मेकिंग कोई बनाता नहीं, बट वो बहुत अच्छी फिल्म मेकिंग थी. आई डोंट हैव एनी स्पेसिफिक मोमेंट टू डिस्क्राइब इट, बट एंड सेकंड आपकी जो सिनेमेटोग्राफर है मिलिंद जो उनके साथ अगर कुछ बता सकते हैं आप, क्योंकि मुझे कुछ शॉट्स बहुत अच्छे लगे, तो कैसे वो ऑनबोर्ड हुए, अगर इनके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहें तो.
See, एक छोटी सी बात ये है कि मैं बिफोर मेकिंग दिस फिल्म 12 साल से मैं असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर और फिर एक दो प्रोजेक्ट्स एज अ राइटर मैंने किए हैं. सो दिस वाज माय डेब्यू एज अ डायरेक्टर. तो इन लोगों के साथ मैं 12 सालों से काम करते आ रही हूँ. Some of them are my mentors, some of them are close associates, close friends, people who have seen me literally grow up. I've started working when I was 19, 20 almost, and since then, so Milind sir was the cinematographer on the first film I ever interned on, and he is the DOP on my first film as a director. It was just my luck that he was available and he liked the story, and everything you see is there for the consequence.
फॉर्चुनेटली मैंने भी उनके साथ में काम किया था.
He's a sweet guy. He's a very, he's a gentleman, thorough gentleman.
थैंक यू मैम.
Thank you.
Yeah.
हाँ जी.
For me, you are a smart kid.
Yeah.
आपकी फिल्म ने मुझे मेरा दिल जीत लिया. मेरा दिल जीत लिया और आपको बधाई है. आपने स्क्रिप्ट पर इतना अच्छा काम किया हुआ है और डायलॉग्स पर, सीन्स पर, कटिंग पर एडिटिंग बड़ी कमाल की है. और जो लास्ट सीन है का पिता भी आते हैं, वो आपने, हालांकि मैं समझ आया था फिल्म को एंड कर देगी वहीं हम आ चली, लेकिन आप आगे भी बढ़ी. मैं आपके लिए नहीं कहूँगा इस छोटी सी उम्र में इतनी बढ़िया फिल्म देना. आपका तो भविष्य जो है वो सितारों तक है.
Thank you.
मैं आपको देता हूँ और बेटी मैं आपको दिल से बधाई दे रहा हूँ. मैं भी फिल्म नहीं करूँ, मैं जम्मू कश्मीर से.
Thank you so much. Any questions? अच्छा है.
Hello.
हाँ.
Here. Ma'am, I am from Kerala. I don't know a word of Marathi. I'm a movie enthusiast. I'm for a short vacation in Delhi. And you touched the heart. I understood each and every moment in the movie. I have a mom. I had a mom. We had two daughters. I came with my daughter to watch the movie. It was so touching. Every moment, being a woman director, I think you were able to understand the feelings of a woman, the lighter moments. I'm from Kerala and we make lovely movies, but we lack directors like you. Thank you so much. This is some of the best memories I'm taking back from Delhi. Thank you, ma'am, for this wonderful movie.
प्लीज
Thank you so
मैं
much.
बहुत ही यंग हूँ, मुझे मैम ना बुलाइए, बट थैंक यू सो मच. एंड आई एम ग्लैड यू आर वाचिंग इट विथ योर डॉटर, बिकॉज there are some conversations which are difficult to have with our mothers, even though we are very close at times. I'm hoping, and is what I've been able to understand also from the other conversations with people in the audiences, this film is able to give them that conversation without having to say something like that. So if that has happened for you, then I'm grateful that I got to make the film. Thank you.
Yeah, hi. This is Aditya. Thing is, I felt the film actually came out really nice because it was scripted brilliantly.
Yes.
Okay, so those small nuances, etc. I mean, it came out very nicely, and it was acted brilliantly by all the actors. So, how did you actually approach scripting, and what is the backstory of the film, and how did you manage to get these actors to get the best out of it, so that both the screenplay and the scripting it really appealed to everybody. I'm not going into cinematography and all that, but I think this is screenplay and the acting. How did you manage to get it out of them? And how did you manage to do the screenplay?
Okay, so I am not the screenplay writer of this. It is Nikhil Mahajan, and Prajakta Deshmukh has written the dialogues for it. Nikhil is one of the most well-known filmmakers that we have. He's won a national award as well. There is a saying in Marathi which is माय मरो पण मावशी जगो, which means अगर माँ भी मर जाए तो मासी हो तो बच्चा संभाल लेगी. I had a story, I had a thought, and I knew what I wanted to say. I knew the people, but I was too close to the subject, and having someone like Nikhil, who has honed his craft over more than a decade now, helped me be objective about the screenplay. It would not be right for me to take any credit for it. We just, all three of us had the process where we went to Nasik, where Prajakta lives. 3-4 दिन के लिए हमने पूरी स्टोरी 4-4, 5-5 बार वापस एक दूसरे को नरेट की. And at some point there was you find that one धागा जिसको पकड़ के आगे जा सकते हैं. So that first scene where Neha comes to the hospital and the first thing Sonali says is ताई, बट उसको पहले देखती है. सो जब मैंने मोमेंट लिखा था उसमें ये था कि एक दूसरे को देखते हैं बट एक दूसरे के सामने नहीं है. सो इट हैड टू हैपन इन सर्टेन वे. निखिल रोट इट इन सर्टेन वे जहाँ पे बेटी माँ को देख रही है, उसकी और माँ की सांस सेम चल रही है, और तीसरी जो कैरेक्टर है वो आ जाती है. पर वहाँ पे आई बोलना है या ताई बोलना है, यहाँ तक प्राजक्ता ने लाया. एंड द मोमेंट ही कोण पाहिजे आई, एंड द सेकेंड थिंग दैट वी हियर इज ताई. अभी 3 साल से बात नहीं हुई है, बट पुरानी आदतें जाती नहीं है, कितना भी गुस्सा हो जाता नहीं. शी गेट्स एंग्री लेटर, बट एट दैट मोमेंट शी इज जस्ट हैप्पी दैट हर एल्डर सिस्टर इज देयर. सो ऐसे एल्डर सिस्टर, ताई इज एल्डर सिस्टर. तो ऐसे छोटे छोटे मोमेंट्स हमको डिस्कशन से मिलते रहे, एंड देन इट वाज जस्ट बोथ ऑफ देम. दे हैव बीन, दिस वुड बी देयर थर्ड कोलैबोरेशन टुगेदर एज राइटर्स. सो या that's that. And actors, उनके साथ तो मैंने, it was around 10 days per sister, separate workshops, and then we did a scene in standing, which is the पोहे का scene जो है, जिसमें उनको पता चलता है कि the dad is there. So we did that first in blocking during our rehearsal, and once we figured how the sisters are reacting to each other, we built from there. Mother, I don't think I had to do any workshops with her. I got to exploit her. And beyond that, Gandharva, Nipun Dharmadhikari has played Gandharva. He is also a very good director, theatre as well as films. What we did is, when I went for my final recce, I let my actors, like I submitted them to Nipun. 3 दिन का उन सब ने वर्कशॉप किया जहाँ पे उन्होंने केमिस्ट्री बिल्डिंग पे काम किया. Many times it so happens if the maker is in the room, everyone looks for validation, so they can't actually improvise, and I didn't want to keep things for big improvisations on set because we had very limited time. तो उन 3 दिनों में इन लोगों ने अपने अपने केमिस्ट्री बिल्डिंग वर्कशॉप्स किए, एंड वंस आई केम बैक वी डिसाइडेड कि अच्छा ये रखेंगे, ये नहीं रखेंगे, ये मोमेंट्स रखेंगे, ऐसी रिएक्शंस करेंगे. ऐसे छोटे छोटे आई थिंक इट वाज अराउंड अ मंथ लॉन्ग कॉन्वर्सेशन. सो देन इट जस्ट बिकेम लाइक वी बिकेम फ्लुएंट इन द कैरेक्टर्स. Bharti Tai comes from theatre background, not Sonali, and neither Neha. Neha has been working for almost 20-25 years now. नमस्कार.
माझं नाव यश आहे, मी पण ऍक्टर आहे, मुंबईमध्ये राहतो. पहिल्या गोष्ट खूपच छान फिल्म लावलं होतं तुम्ही, आणि माझं सगळं एकच क्वेश्चन आहे की द सीन्स वर व्हेरी इमोशनल ऑल्सो. So how was it once the camera is off? Like how was the माहोल? Like
अरे आमच्याकडे खरंच वेळच नव्हता. ही 20 दिवसाच्या लाईक 17 ते 20 दिवसांच्या मध्ये बनवली आहे फिल्म. सो वी whatever banter was happening was momentary. We were shooting 5 to 8 pages in a day. So I don't know actually what was happening. I was full time on set. The entire cast and crew was full time on set. If we were not shooting, we were talking about the next scene. So ऐसा कहीं मस्ती मजाक तो ज़्यादा हुआ नहीं है. They had their fun. I was just panicking.
आणि भारतीचा एक साठी माझा एक मेसेज होतो ते इतकी छान काम केले होते आणि मोठे ऍक्टर होते मला माहिती आहे पण किती इमोशनल मतलब खूपच छान आणि तुमचा गाणं खूपच छान होतं.
Thank you so much.
In the beginning, if I'm not mistaken, I read that you asked forgiveness from your parents.
No. I thank them for their eternal forgiveness.
What does that mean?
मैं तो कोई परफेक्ट बच्ची हूँ नहीं, तो मैं दिन में 3 बार तो सॉरी बोलने वाली चीज़ें कर देती हूँ. अभी यहाँ आने से पहले मैंने अपने डैड से झगड़ा किया, बैठने के बाद इमोशनल हो गई, सॉरी बोल दिया. एंड एवरी टाइम दे हैव दैट बैंडविड्थ टू फॉरगिव मी. आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई हैव डन टू डिजर्व इट. आई जस्ट
What is
वांटेड
your
टू
date of birth?
17 February 94.
Okay.
Aquarian.
Aquarius.
Yes.
Okay.
हाँ जी.
Hello. I was saying like watching the whole film was like a roller coaster ride. We experienced the joy, we experienced sorrow, we experienced love, warmth, and also the cinematography was so on point. I love so much scenes, and it's also very good to see a woman working like with such a great film, and really loved it.
Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm also a screenwriter and I'm also Marathi, so this film was extra special for me. And I came here with my Aji. I couldn't bring my Ai, but I'll watch with her soon. And she has also been a cancer survivor. And I really liked how sensitively you dealt with that, because there were some scenes where I got so emotional because I've seen her be like that. She still forgets like people's names. I'm sure she's not going to remember this movie, you know, some months later. But I'm just so thankful that I could share this with her. And I just wanted to know what was it like about working with Bharti Atsrekar, because I know she's a legend and she's always made me laugh so much. This was the first time she actually made me cry.
It was a school for me to see an actor so well rehearsed.
Yeah.
And it's not just on set, it's been a riyaz of, I think, 40 plus years
Yeah,
at least.
yeah.
No, 60 plus years. 60 plus years. There's this one shot where she turns around and then we go into the monologue where she tells कि अच्छा मुझे hospice में जाना है वगैरह.
Yeah.
So that one shot where she turns around was shot in like 30 seconds because we had forgotten to take the shot. Okay, so हमने उनको पैकअप बोल दिया था, वो गई थी वैनिटी में. हम लोग की ताई प्लीज आ जाओ, मेरे से ना वो शॉट रह गया. She's like ओके क्या करना है. तो मैंने उनको बोला कि कुछ नहीं, आगे अंधेरा है बट यू आर द ब्राइटनेस ऑफ ऑल आवर लाइफ्स, और ये औरत वापस शायद नहीं दिखेगी, ऐसा फील होना चाहिए इन दैट मोमेंट. शी इज लाइक ओके रेडी है कैमरा, मैं चेंज करके ऊपर आ गया. लिखा ओके. शी डिड दैट इन वन टेक. दैट स्माइल इज वन टेक एंड इट हैज मेंट अ लॉट फॉर मी दैट शी डिड दैट. Maybe it's just a small moment for all of you in the entire film, but for me, had that shot not been there, I would never see her smiling so kindly otherwise throughout the film where she is in her life. So,
And also thank you for being so sensitive with every topic that you dealt with. Because
Thank you.
we've seen a lot of movies that deal with like sexual assault. But I feel like this really made me feel that even if you've not been through this, you need to be there for other women. And just the last thing that she says, like she's literally about to die, but the way that she empowers her daughters, I think it's always going to stay with me. So thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. This side center. Yeah. Amazing movie. Congratulations.
Thank you.
If I'm not mistaken, you mentioned something about censor certificate.
हाँ जी, पर वो दिखा ही नहीं अभी.
हाँ, yeah, that's what I wanted to ask.
ठीक है, आप जब ये ऑनलाइन देखेंगे, you see the censor certificate, फिर बात करेंगे इसके बारे में.
Okay.
ऑफलाइन बात करते हैं इस पे.
Congratulations. So I'm not a movie buff, but I take some time from a busy schedule. So since you're so young, and we're just curious to know how big was this as a project in terms of say, weeks or months? And if I may ask, how do we go about the budget planning? If you can answer.
The producers are the better people to talk about the budget planning for this, but this is regional cinema, budgets are usually very tight. The plan is to not make it look so. So what you do is you get good collaborators and you make a story that is worth their time. Probably it works out, that's what you can hope. We shot it between 17 to 19 days. I will call it 20 days because मैंने ना बहुत कॉकी होके 1.5 शिफ्ट ठीक से किया नहीं, तो मेरे से हो गई गलती, तो वो ऑलमोस्ट 20 डेज का शूट लग गया. So I actually overspent. I should have listened to my producers first. But yeah, close to 20 days. Maximum in the house. 5 hours of shooting on the beach. 1 day of office. 1 day of wedding hall. 3 दिन hospital. And फिर इधर उधर. Thank you. Thank you.
First of all, thank you for making me cry. I cried a lot, don't know about the others. But what a visually stunning film. And
Thank
the
you.
sound design, I think it was such a seamlessly integrated part of the screenplay, which I'm also like I'm making my first film, so that was a really inspiring thing.
Please, sound makes for for the psychological impact of the film. You must concentrate on
Even the
that.
firecracker part, right? Like when it hits, when you cut to Diwali, that's where it all connects, and it was such a big jolt when you realize what you were doing. But I wanted to ask you more about the visuals, the language that you use with the pinks and the greens. I wanted to know what was your intent behind it. I had my own understanding, but I wanted to know from you what was your reasoning behind the
Okay.
colors that you used.
I would I don't mind giving a small bite on this right now. I don't want to take a lot of time. But we had a clarity that we wanted to travel towards whites. We wanted to travel towards clarity. The day I saw the house, if you see the house, it looks sick itself, right? And I'm talking about something rotting inside. So I wanted to just juxtapose the green that we symbolize with life with something that's dying and make it into one strong look. That's about it. So देखने में अच्छा लगे पर पता है अंदर से कुछ सड़ रहा है, तो how to be happy about it? There should be a constant question. There were some colors allotted to the characters. Everything that I chose for the mother had to go with the house because she was the house. Neha's character starts with colors which do not go with the house at all, and then she assimilates into it. And Sarika is between both of them. She's wanting to connect with her sister, but she's also the house because that's what her life's come to. So ये सोच से कुछ चीजें की हैं. And for the song, the mother's death rituals, we had to go with the monochrome palette because again, there's a lifeless thing that I'm talking about. It had to go grayer until it became white. Thank you.
Yeah, hi. Yeah.
Just one question on the color. Is dad the blue? Is blue the dad?
No. Red is dad. Until the very last thing. Yeah. Red, oranges, all of those things you only see when the father comes in. Diwali as well as the wedding. Those colors were otherwise not used entirely in the present times. No problem.
Yeah, hi. Congratulations for such a beautiful film. वो भाई ने सही बोला कि बहुत रुलाया आपने. मैं सिर्फ 2 पॉइंट बोलना चाहता हूँ. बहुत सारी बातें हैं बोलने के लिए, पर बहुत सारा कुछ सबने कवर कर दिया. पहली बात ये कि आपने बहुत अच्छा ट्विस्ट दिया कि मदर ने फादर के बारे में क्यों बताया. The reason was very good. मतलब मैं बैठा यही सोच रहा था कि अगर ये नहीं बता रही है, इतने सालों तक नहीं बताया, तो अब ऐसा क्या घटेगा कि लड़कियों को पता चलना भी है या नहीं. That was really very nice कि जो वो माँ देख लेती हैं. एंड सेकंड जो बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है वो ये कि जो आपकी माँ ने बात कही कि मैं अपनी बीमारी में अपने आप को वैसा देखना नहीं चाहती, क्योंकि आई लॉस्ट माई मदर इन 2023 विद द सेम डिसीज. और वो सब कुछ जो उन्होंने बोला कि नहीं होना, वो मेरी माँ के साथ हुआ. तो ग्रेट, हैट्स ऑफ टू यू एंड रियली वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. जो उन्होंने बात कही, हाँ सच में वो सच है. जितनी बची है ना, भले वो 2 महीने हो 10 महीने हो, वो वैसी रहनी चाहिए. दैट्स ग्रेट. Congratulations and best wishes.
Thank you. Yeah, she was also a girl, so we had like almost full female casting. बहुत बहुत रुलाया बच्ची ने हमको, बहुत रुलाया, बहुत. But she's cute. She has our hearts. वो जो DVD ढूंढने वाला है वो तो हम अराउंड 50 minutes to 1 hour शूट कर रहे थे. उसको तब नहीं पुल करने का था, अभी क्या करना. बट ठीक है. हाँ.
Ladies and gentlemen, with this, we end this conversation and the closing of the festival. And what a beautiful film to close the festival. Thank you, Vijay, for making this film and bringing this to Habitat Film Festival. And thank you, lovely audience. Thank you very much. Good night. See you all for the next edition of Habitat Film Festival. Thank you. She's here in case if anybody wants to talk to her.